Welcome to this video on the evolution of e-commerce from 1995 to 2026. This isn't just a history of technology. It's a look at how digital transformation changed, who owns the customer, the nature of data, and ultimately, who makes the decisions. It all began with a single, small transaction. On August 11, 1994, a man in Philadelphia bought a CD online for $12.48. It was just a normal product and a normal delivery, yet it made national headlines because the transaction itself had become digital. That first digital transaction was the start of an arc that has spanned over 30 years. We can track this evolution through 7 distinct stages, where each new phase builds on the capabilities of the last. Today, we are seeing the rise of autonomous commerce. In this video, we will name these 7 eras, explain the transitions between them, identify the 6 major transformations that occurred, and apply 5 strategic lessons to understand where business advantage really comes from. This timeline shows the progression from simple web-based transactions to the complex, autonomous commerce of today. Remember, these periods overlap, and each one adds new capabilities, rather than replacing what came before. The first era, from 1995 to 2000, was web-based e-commerce. The core lesson here is that simply putting a product online doesn't create a digital business. A website is just a channel, not a complete digital transformation. From 2000 to 2010, we moved into marketplace and platform commerce. The business lesson here is that the strongest players may not own the product, but instead own the interaction, the rules, and the data. During the mobile and omnichannel era of 2010 to 2016, the journey stopped being linear. The strategic takeaway is to avoid managing channels independently. Every touchpoint must play a role in a single, unified customer journey. The fourth era, 2016 to 2021, focused on social and discovery commerce. The key lesson is to never mistake virality for sustainable economics. Success depends on moving traffic through a funnel all the way to profit. From 2021 to 2024, the focus shifted to data-driven digital commerce. Substantive digital businesses must apply technology beyond just the customer-facing channels, embedding it deeply into operations and decision-making processes. In the current era, AI-powered commerce, simply using AI tools isn't enough to gain an edge, as many competitors will have access to the same tools. Advantage is built through data, insight, experimentation, and sound human judgment. Finally, we are entering the era of agentic commerce. The question has changed from convincing a human to choose our product, to making our products easily discoverable and selectable by AI agents. This requires machine-readable commerce, moving from search engine optimization to agent engine optimization. The real challenge here is governance. What should an AI decide, and who is held accountable for those decisions? This reference table summarizes the shifting customer journey across these eras. Note how the journey evolves from simple searching to goal-oriented agent interaction. This evolution is the best evidence that we are in distinct eras. Lastly, here is a summary of the managerial lessons from each era. Each lesson addresses common pitfalls that managers have faced in the past. Use these to evaluate how your own organization is navigating the digital landscape. Looking back over the last 31 years, we can observe 6 major transformations. These encompass changes in where we sell, how transactions are processed, market structures, customer interfaces, data usage, and the core decision-makers behind the business. A key takeaway is that competitive advantage consistently moves upstream. What once provided a distinct edge in 1995 or 2005 has often become basic infrastructure today. AI is currently following this exact same path. These 5 strategic lessons synthesize our history. Notably, the final lesson, that the operational buyer may increasingly be software rather than a human, is truly unprecedented, marking a fundamental shift for the future of commerce. As we summarize, remember these 4 points. History is not just a list of tools. Eras accumulate rather than replace. The 6 transformations explain 31 years of change, and advantage always moves upstream of where you are looking. We leave you with one final question. What is a brand worth in a market where the buyer cannot be persuaded? As purchase decisions shift to AI agents, how will you ensure your business is the one machines find easiest to trust?